What is going on, guys? Another vlog, another day. So first of all, if you haven't done so, go ahead and go over to the subscribe button and click on it for me real quick. It would definitely help me out a lot if you haven't done so. So it's either on that side or this side or whatever. We are installing the intake today. It arrived like last week, but I haven't got a chance to install it. It is a AEM intake made for the Chonda. It probably won't add power, but all I want is to hear that kind of noise, you know what I'm saying, and hear the VTEC kick in. Tonight is the usual Friday night meet, so we'll be heading there also. But I'll catch you up at Steven's house. Here's the intake. It comes with instruction, so it should be easy to do. And it has this, but I'm not gonna put this on the car. It's stupid. Made it to Steven's house, so now we just wait for him to come out. Does he have a cat? Oh, weird. Okay, whatever. Oh, let me try to text him real quick. Steven just opened the door. Jesus Christ. So apparently Steven is working on his car, guys. Let's see what he's doing right now. What are you doing on your car? Huh? What part are you installing? In theory, we could install my intake at your house.
Yeah, we can do that. You want to do it inside or outside?
Do you have the socket and like wrench?
I have a wrench, but it's like an adjustable one. What do you mean?
Probably like one that goes quick, 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 quick.
Oh.
Like my torque wrench.
Oh, I have a torque wrench. Sure. It's smaller than yours actually, but it still works.
What's going on here?
So, you know, whenever your brakes like squeal when you activate them?
Yeah.
And that's because the brake pads are out. So in my car, it actually squeals when I'm not braking.
Wouldn't need Loctite. Oh, you need Loctite. I'm sorry.
I need it for both front wheels, because if you change out the brake pads on one wheel, you have to change it out on the other.
You can use it sparingly.
Okay.
Yeah.
You have only like one like little squirt bottle or something?
Yeah.
You ready?
No.
Oh, that's a pole.
Alright, what's the update so far?
So like 75% up.
Yeah, so far what we've done, we took off the show y'all right here, factory airbox, install the new hose, got this heat shield. I just put in some edge trim on it. We're having trouble with the edge, or this corner right here. I've lost one clamp. It dropped somewhere in the engine bay. So this is a scrap piece of clamp that we've got from the shop. Yep, got this on. Tighten these clamp down right here, here, and here. Along with these two clamp are tightened down. Next off, install heat shield here, around here, and that. Hook it up and we should be good.
You alright there, buddy?
Speaking.
Where's the other one?
How the fuck are there fat hands in here?
Hey yo, nice and safe.
Fuck.
How you gonna fix that, buddy?
What we do now? Alright. Yeah. Yeah, install, dude. Sick. Alright, pretty much done. We're just gonna clip these back on. Everything's on. Pretty good. And to go. Any lights? Any chicken lights?
What's that?
Oh, my tire pressure.
Oh, that's good. What's that?
Wait, turn it off.
Think about that.
We plug it in good, right? Should be good to go.
Yep. Just gotta fix those. Are you gonna use the OBD to figure out those dash lights or no?
Yeah.
I'm done with this. Oh, is it? Shoot.
Alright, the battery is getting really low, but we're flashing it to take the intake map right now. So I'm back. Pretty much what happened after the install is that we test drove it. It's pretty good. There's no leaks. Everything's fine except for the part where after we disconnect the negative terminal for a while, and when we reconnect it back to the battery, it's kind of like pop up a few warning icons on the dash, but after a quick freeway drive it disappears. So that was a completely normal thing. Obviously the battery died in the garage, so we couldn't really film much of the meet, but we did went to the meet for a little bit, and then we went to Napa Auto Parts to get some stuff for Steven's car, and then we grabbed some food. Now we're back home. Steven's in his house probably installing brake pad replacement. We tried to upload the tune for the intake with the K-tuner. It did not go as well as we thought it would, so probably we'll have to see what's up on the K-tuner software. If that doesn't work also, I'll probably have to data log my car and then send it to the K-tuner people so they can make that tune for me. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I should have brought the extra battery, but you know what, at least the intake is on, and it should be snowing this coming weekend, so I would definitely be vlogging that if that's the case. But other than that, I'll catch you on the next one.